select the large size ice. Welcome to another unboxing from healthykitchen101.com. My name is Roger, and today we're going to be unboxing another portable ice maker. So this is the VIVOHOME portable countertop ice maker. Let's open this box up and have a look what's inside. Okay, so right on the top what we usually have is the cord, nicely wrapped up. Typically what we have here is a user manual. So this is the navy blue model. What a nice color. So usually what we do, because it's tightly packed, is we just tip it over. It comes out much easier this way. But we'll also leave this ice maker standing up for a while before we do any tests or plug it in. So just make sure you do that with your ice maker. You don't know if it's been upside down during transit. So when you unpack it, don't get too excited, but just put it on your countertop and leave it there for a couple of hours. Okay, there we go. Right, let's have a look at the cord. Yeah, most of these cords are maybe 1.8 meters long, 71 inches. Seems to be the standard. This cord doesn't look like it's any longer. So here we have it. This is a really nice kind of dark shaded navy blue. And it's got the control panel right in the front. So let's just move this here and see what's inside. So typically here you can see the ice basket is taped so it doesn't move around during transit. Also the ice scooper is also taped onto the basket. Yeah, this ice scooper is pretty generic, pretty standard. Most of these ice scoopers look like this. What I notice here is this basket is quite a roomy basket. And it's quite a solid plastic, which is great. So if you look in the machine over here, usually in this corner over here, you got what is called the kind of water guard, and that will stop debris and materials getting sucked into the upper kind of ice making chamber over here. All right. So we're just going to run a quick test on this ice maker. Here we have about a liter of water. I mean, sometimes these tanks can take up to 2 liters, but you don't need to fill the whole tank. We're just going to run this a couple of times. Also, the water we put in here is what is called 0 TDS water, and that just ensures that the ice cubes come out looking clear and not that kind of cloudy, milky color. So we've got enough water there to run this ice maker. We're going to pop in the basket, close the lid, and we're going to choose the small size. And over here we're just going to set the timer. It should take between maybe 7 to 10 minutes to make the first round of ice. So anyway, let's just leave this machine and let's see what happens. Okay, so let's have a look at the timer. Yeah, it took about 8 minutes to produce 1 round of ice, and this is just the small ice bullets. And we had the sound monitor here, and it recorded around about 68 decibels for making the small ice. Seems to be a little bit noisier than other machines we've tested. So anyway, let's just take the ice out. So these are just the small ice bullets. Nothing too much to get excited about, because usually it takes about 5 to 8 rounds of ice making, about an hour and a half, depending on the machine and the water condition. And usually these small ice bullets, well, you can expect at least twice the thickness. So I mean, this is just to test to see that the machine is working and how the first ice bullets are coming out. And yeah, it made the ice bullets in more or less the correct amount of time. And you can see how nice and clear these are. Partly this is because of the TDS 0 water that we're using. All right, so let's do this again. Just check if there's enough water. Yeah, there should be enough water there. And now what we're going to do, yeah, this machine was a little bit shaky, make quite a bit of noise when we switched it off actually. So now we're going to switch it on again, and it should automatically select the large size ice, which it has done. All right, and we're just going to start the timer again. Okay, there you go. And we'll leave this machine for maybe another 8 or 10 minutes and see if there's any difference in the quality of ice that comes out. Okay, so now you can see the ice is going to get scooped out. And that took about 11.5 minutes, which is pretty good timing for the first kind of couple of rounds of ice making. So let's have a look here. Yeah, so these are the larger ice bullets. You can see they're much better than the smaller ones, much thicker. You can expect maybe about twice as thick as this once the ice maker gets into the sort of ice making groove. So here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So typically got the 9 ice rods in these bullet ice making machines. So anyway, that's our test completed. Or at least this is just a preliminary check to see how this machine is working. So if you want to know more about this machine and if you want to see the full test results, then please go to our website, healthykitchen101.com. And there you can find out how this machine actually performs. And you can stay tuned to see our regular updates and product reviews. In the upcoming tests on this machine, we'll find out how much ice this ice maker actually makes. It says 26 pounds per day, but we'll show you how much you can get per basket, how much ice you can make in an hour, and we'll also look at the quality of the ice. We'll also share some user tips about this machine. So in the meantime, don't forget to go over to our website, healthykitchen101.com, and you can read reviews on other things like water cooler dispensers, water pitcher filters, blenders, and a whole lot of other cool kitchen equipment. Okay, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Thank you.